Welcome to Simple English Stories. Today, we are not just learning English. We are learning how to change your life. Do you have a dream? Do you want to be successful? Many people fail because they don't know one secret formula. This formula is from Napoleon Hill, a man who studied the richest people in history for 20 years. Today, I will give you his first and most important principle. Watch this video until the end, and you will find the key to your future. Let's begin. How to always achieve your goals. Friends, today I want to start with one simple but shocking fact. Right now, you have the most powerful force in the universe. This force is your own mind. Napoleon Hill studied the most successful leaders for 20 years. He found one truth. Whatever the human mind can imagine and believe, it can achieve. It means there is nothing impossible for a human in this world. And here is the question. What should you do to reach your goals? 1. Define your goal. Most people live their lives like ships without a rudder. They just sail and hope the wind brings them to a golden shore. But it doesn't work like that. The first law of success by Hill is definiteness of purpose. You must know exactly what you want. Not a lot of money, but a specific number. Not some job, but a specific position. You must have a burning desire. It must not let you sleep. It must be a part of your life. If you don't have a clear goal, you will work for someone who has one. 2. Set the price of success. Desire is only the beginning. Hill said, nothing is for free. When you have a big goal, ask yourself, what am I ready to give for it? Your time? Your comfort? Your fear of criticism? Your mind will not give you success until you are ready to act. You must go forward like failure is impossible. 3. Persistence. On your way to success, you will meet temporary defeat. Most people call it failure and give up. They say, it's not for me, or I can't do it. But for a person with positive thinking, it is only a signal that the plan was not perfect. Change the plan, but never change the goal. Remember, you are not alone. Create your support group. Find people who make you stronger and believe in you. Together, you create a mastermind that can do the impossible. But remember, your goal is your responsibility. Other people can support you or not. The main mistake is to blame others for your problems. In any situation, you make the final decision. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start right now with the resources you have. Don't fear poverty or criticism. Fear living a life without knowing what you can really do. You are the masters of your destiny. For example, look at one goal, learning English. Many people say, I want to learn it, but want is a weak word. First, you need definiteness, not learn it someday, but a clear decision. I will have advanced level for a global career. Set a date and a price. For example, 30 minutes of practice every day instead of social media. Second, your mind needs faith. If you say, I have no talent for languages, you already lost. Use auto-suggestion. Say, my ability to speak a global language grows every day. It is my bridge to freedom. Third, don't learn alone. Find a mentor or a group. Work with people who are already on this path. And the most important thing is persistence. There will be days when you feel no progress. This is the temporary defeat where 90% of people stop. But you are not them. You know that success is behind this wall. You don't just learn words, you learn the language of opportunities. Every word is a brick for your future. Believe in yourself, act, and think positively. If you write down your biggest dream in a notebook, I will give you something to make it real. And now, I will give you the first idea. It is the essence of success at any place and any time. Listen carefully to what I will say now. Now you know the power of a burning desire. But remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Here is your first big idea. Success comes to those who become success conscious. This means you must think about your goal every minute. Write your goal in your notebook right now. Don't wait. In the next video, I will tell you about the second principle of Napoleon Hill. It is even more powerful. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the master of your destiny. See you soon.